Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sahana and I'm from Nikaya Sisters. Today, we're going to be learning how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So, I have my shuffled cube right here and we're going to be learning how to solve it. It's time to solve your first cube. Before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, me and Krisha, and turn on the bell notifications and just share this video with your friends. So guys, let's get started and it's time to solve your first. Okay guys, before we start, I'm gonna show you a move which you can do both with your left and your right hand, which will be the most used move in the Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. Can you see? Right. So the moves are, with your right hand, what you do is my right thumb is right here and my middle index finger is right over here on top. Sorry, yeah, this comes here right. Yeah, it goes like this and you do some moves which go like this. So it goes like this, right side up, and with your right hand you just push it like that and down and left side. You do it again just for practice. Up, right side up, right side, down, left side. Right side up, right side, down, left side. Get it? I'm gonna do it a couple more times so you can see. Left side. Now we're gonna do these moves slowly again with our left hand like this. Okay, let me just do this. Yeah. Okay. Left side up. Okay, get this. Left side up. Now with your left hand, just push down, and then right side. We do it again. Up, right, left side up, left side down, right side. And while continuous practice, you can just do these moves frequently, like this. Get it? We've got to practice these moves for a long time. Even I had a hard time where I started solving the Rubik's Cube. Now let's get started with solving our Rubik's Cube. First step is the white cross. While we're doing the white cross, what we need to do is we need to form the cross. But while we're forming the cross, we have to keep in mind that these edge pieces should be, these colors should be matched with theirs. Like over here, I have this, which is connected with white, so it's in the right place. And over here, it's also connected with red, so we need that in all the edges. How do we do that? So first of all, we move down to the opposite side of the white one, which is the yellow. And since blue is over here with a white, I find a white and blue edge piece. So I just move it like that, right? And since I need this to come here, I just turn it up. So I still have red on my white in my white centers. I still have red coordinated and blue. I'm gonna do that with others. For example, you cannot find the eyepiece here. Okay, so you've also got to look on the side. Like over here on the side, I find this white piece which goes with the green. So I match this up with the green piece and I just rotate it back. But when you do this, you realize that these pieces should be switched. So what do? You hold this cube like this. The green has to be on the other side. And so what we do is we turn it like this so that the side is over here on this side, and you turn it over here with your left hand. So with your left hand, you turn it like that, and you turn this up, and then you just turn it back so that these still get matched. So I have green matched, red matched, and blue matched. But I still have to do the orange part. Right now I have a flipped piece again, like look. If I do this and I move back, it's a flip piece. But sometimes what happens is that this happens. This is right here. So you cannot do anything about it. What you have to do is you have to use the right-handed form moves that I taught you earlier. So right side up, right side down, left side. Over here I can see that it's still here and I can match them. It will be a flipped piece, but that's fine. Okay, now I turn it back like this. Now with my left hand I turn it like this and up, and then with my right hand I turn it back. Okay, now I form the white cross, which means that white, 2 white and 2 oranges, that's good. 2 green, I mean 2 white and 2 greens, that's good. Now 2 reds, 2 whites, that's good. 2 whites, 2 blues, and that's our first step. Guys, if you did not understand the first step, just go back, watch this video a few times, and just go and you'll learn this in some time. So the next step is to put these corners and so they match, like over here. This corner is in the right place, but I realized that it should be twists. So like orange comes here, white comes here, blue comes here. But I don't know how should I twist it. So guys, what do you have to do in this case? You have to use the formulas with your right hand. So up, right side, down, left side. You might see that we have inserted a white corner here, but it does not match the colors. There's no blue and there's no orange matched. So you gotta do those formulas because that piece is right over here. So up, right side, down, left side. Again, still, there should be twist, so we do those moves again. Up, right side, down, left side. Still not inserted. This is here. Up, right side, down, left side. Okay, I've inserted the corner. I'm gonna look for the other corner. Like over here, I have a white, orange, and green piece. Oh, green is here, but I cannot do anything. So I just do make this between orange and green and white. So I just do the 4 moves. Now what I have to do is I have to take out these corners because this corner should be here and this corner should be here. So we just do the 4 moves up, but right, down, left. So that helped. And now I can move it right here, which is a red, green, and white. So I do the 4 moves up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. But this, like, okay, I still have another white piece, but this one should be here. So we do the 4 moves again. Up, right side, down, left side. I've inserted this. Now I have to insert this one here. Turn it like this, and so we have a blue, red, and white, blue, red, and white. So let's get started with the 4 moves again. Up, right side, down, left side. 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 We're done with our first layer. And so the whole white is solid and the corners, like these pieces, are still matched with the color. So that's good. Now we have to fill these edges, because we need to form our second layer. How do we do this? Like over red. Over here, I already have a red solved. If you do not, just follow these moves I tell you in some time. Red is solved. This matches with blue. This matches with green. Okay, example, you should not do this. Like, orange is solved, but this does not match with green, so you do not use this. Now let's get started. Over here, on the top layer, we have to find a piece which is not yellow, and this is the only piece. They all are yellow. So, an edge piece, and we just match these 2 colors. Since we have this, and we have to coordinate with the white, so this goes here, what we have to do is we actually have to move it to the red side so that, Don't mess up. If you do this, you won't be able to put this piece in here. You have to move it away. And since you have turned it to the right side, you have to do the left-handed 4 moves. Up, right side, left side, down, right side. Now, turn it to the orange side so you can see that this is shuffled. So we just do the 4 moves again, but this time with our right hand and near orange, not blue. Up, right side, down, left side. Okay guys, as you can see that I've inserted this corner. Now I have to search for another piece that is not yellow. Over here I can see another piece, which is orange and green, and orange and green is the only edge piece we have left. So over here we still have the green this side, so we move it away. But guys, if it's blue over here, so what you do is you have to move it to your left side and do the right-handed 4 moves, and then do the left-handed 4 moves. But since mine's on this side, move it to the left and do the right-handed 4 moves. Wait, yeah, move it to the right, left-handed 4 moves. Up, right side, down, left side. Again, over here. I have to move it to the green side and do the 4-handed moves again, with this time with my right hand. Up, right side, down, left side.
The next step is to solve the top cross or the yellow cross.
So how do you solve the top? You might notice this L kind of shape. You have to move it to your left, so it goes like that. And the piece over here, you have to turn it like that. And the white should be here. The green pieces should be here. And we do the right-handed 4 moves. So up, right side, down, left side. You might notice that we took one corner out, but we have made a line. That's a good sign. So what do? We do those moves again, and you'll see what happens. Up, right side, down, left side. I've solved half of it. I just have to do one, but I still don't have anything. Whatever, let's just turn this back, and done. You've made the top cross. You can do the algorithms if your edges still do not match. Mine are matched, so no need to do the algorithm. Now, the next step is pretty simple. What you have to do is you have to match these edge pieces with their colors. So I can move orange here, but I have orange here. The green's not in the correct place. It's not solved. The blue's also not solved, and the red is solved. So what do? This is an algorithm. You have to do it exactly. Watch this part a few times so that you don't mess up, but you gotta do this, and this is the main algorithm. So what do you do with the edges that are solved on the sides? You do the 4 moves, which are up, right side, down. But this time don't do left side, just do it again right side. This is algorithm. And then you just turn this up and then back down. As you can see, I still don't have these edges solved, the green and the orange, but I do have the red and the blue one solved. So what do is we hold the blue one right here and on our right side and do the 4 moves again. But this time you don't have to do the 4 moves, you have to do the algorithms. The algorithm goes like this again. So raise it up, right side, down, and then again right side, and then up, and then entire back, then down, and then back. So orange is done, green is done, red is done, blue is done. That was, guys, how you solve almost part of the Rubik's Cube. Now we have to solve these corners. The corners are the most important step of solving the cube. We have to see if any of these are in the right place. So there's no red here, so it's not in the right place. Blue's here, no orange, not in the right place. Green's here, correct. Orange, not here, so not in the right place. Green's here, red's here, not in the right place. But we don't have any corner in the right place. But what you can do is we have another algorithm. What you have to do is with your hand, just turn this side. So right side up, left side up, right side down, left side down. Now you just gotta check it again and see if there's any corners. So red, green here, red's not in the right place. None of these colors are here, so not in the right place. Okay, like this, over here. You might realize that it's not in the right place. What am I doing? You realize that if this would be twist, this would be here, this would be here, and this would be here, it would be in the correct place. So we just leave it like that, and there's no edge at all. Now that we have this, we have to hold it on our right side and in the front and the right side, and we do the algorithm again. So with your right hand, right side up, left side up, left side up, right side down, left side down. Again, I see he's not here. So nope, still none of these solved with the algorithm. We do the algorithm again. Up, right side up, left side up, right side down, left side down. Okay, so over here I have red and blue and yellow, so that's cool. Green, red, and yellow, so green, red, and yellow. Orange, green, and blue, yellow, so orange, green, and yellow. Orange, blue, and yellow. Orange, blue, and yellow. Red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow. So all these are in the right place. We don't have to twist our cube just to solve it. What you can do is this. You do the right-handed 4 moves again and again until this piece is restored. So let's do it. Up, right side, down, left side, up, right side, down, left side. Over here this piece isn't hurt, but rest of the cube is shuffled, but that's cool. You just have to keep on going with these steps. Make sure to follow the step very correctly, otherwise you can mess up your whole cube. So I should turn this like this, not the entire cube rotations, otherwise you will mess up. You just turn the bottom layer and you do the 4 moves until this is solved. So let's get started. Up, right side, down, left side, up, right side, down, left side, up, right side, down, left side, up, right side, down, left side. You can see I'm almost solved, but I still have these 2 corners to do. So I'm going to do these. So another time I turn the bottom layer and I do the 4 moves again. Up, right side, down, left side, up, right side, down, left side, up, right side, down, left side, up, right side, down, left side. I'm only left with the last, this is shuffled, but when you solve the last one, you solve the whole cube. Up, right side, down, left side, up, right side, down, left side. And guys, we just turn it again. And you've solved your whole cube for the first time, guys. Hope you like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video.
Bye, guys.